are on our way to Killarney 4x4. The road so far, which is actually not so bad. We've been on a lot worse.
Check the value.
Well, you don't want to come through here after a few drinks, because yeah, that's quite a bit of a dip there. Like that. On the road.
It rained last night as well. The roads are dry, but they sort of jammy dry. If that makes any sense. So there is wet spots here. You see how the van does. Because as you all know, this is not a 4x4. It is just a normal vehicle.
That is very heavy.
It's very heavy at the moment. But oh, look at this. It's doing it. How's that, eh? How's your mama? My mama's fine. Up the hill here. You said this thing can't do it, man. Machine. What a machine.
So beautiful.
It is. Stunning. Oh, yep, yep. The low range on. Hill descent control activated.
Where now?
It's like a little honey here.
And we are almost there.
Next to the railway tracks?
Turn left onto Station Road.
Yes, yes, sure. Oh gosh, please tell me we're not going down there. Turning left here. Oh, there's the entrance. Oh,
Here we go.
okay.
Hold on.
Arriving at Bushbuck Road, John Willie, under West Durban, 37 and 1, South Africa, on the right.
Hello. How are you? Good. Where do we? Eh? Want the drivers?
Driver's license. Oh, I can see that.
Hey dude, I need to find it first out of all these bloody cars. Ah, there we go. Awesome. No, just the two of us. Two nights. Not tomorrow night. Yeah. Roads one bad. Any car will do it. Oh wait, 801 06 90. This thing off?
No.
Oh, you should off.
The telesign,
This side.
it's like
There you go.
How much is it per night?
Thank you.
Ah.
That's 150 a night.
150 a night per person.
People.
And
200 rand for the car.
200 rand.
Thank you,
once
Baba.
off for
Kunja.
the
Thank
car,
you. Have a good one.
which apparently you pay for everything when you leave. So they take all your information now. So in case you decide to spend another night or two, then it's on their system. You've signed for it and all that kind of stuff.
Fencing is good. hill descent control is activated. And the TO Merc is doing well.
Toyota Merc, because we
Toyota.
put in a Toyota GD6 engine 4 years ago.
Yeah. I saw someone coming up here now. They can just come.
Down his back. This is by the road.
Let the engine take us down here. Some cars might battle there a little bit. You don't need high clearance, it's just the road is a little bit wet.
Don't bring your SLKs and your Z4s.
Yeah, keep the SLKs and Z4s around.
That definitely won't work.
Here and there, a little bit
The boys are
muddy
broke.
and wet. Oh my word. It's going to low range.
It's done.
Oh, it's like a hill descent control activated. There's the campsite. Actually looks pretty cool still. There's empty space there by the looks of it.
Can't see it from here. The camera. Too many trees. Too many trees. Continuation of the
That is
road.
nice. It's coming up, back up this hill.
Yeah, well, that's
Can't
another
catch us in wet weather. I don't think we'll make it up here.
Maybe we empty out the water tank. That's not so heavy.
Like little engine braking. What a tank. I don't think there's much. It's not. I did fill it quite well. But I think we only used half, so it should be up pretty.
We'll use that in 10 days. I mean 2 days.
Yeah. Then we've got extra water in the fridge. People are gonna go, yo! Check that 4x4!
Oh, is that driveway?
Assuming they get it.
It's like a car,
This one. Oh, look, the ostriches. Hello, Bob.
Should we sign up for 4x4?
No.
Yeah, I'll try it. These are adventures. Oh, I think we've met that guy before.
Next great story starts now. Really?
Here we are. big bonfire. We'll let you know how it goes.
Right, we are here at Killarney 4x4. We've now managed to get, you'll see the video past there where we went up and down. It was a lot of fun. We are here now and we are set up. There's our little setup. It's only 2 nights, so we're going to be using the small gazebo instead of the big one, because that big one takes forever to set up. Yeah, just to give you a little bit of a look in the background. Very nice, very chilled. A lot of people here with 4x4s and things, they're going to be doing their thing. And then, yes. All right, guys. Well, we'll chat to you a bit later. We'll do some more videos a bit as we go on for the 2 days. Catch the next one. As the next one, we're going to High Over, I think it is. So keep a lookout for that one. That one's going to be good. And the trees in the way. Okay, it's that time of the evening. And we're going to be doing a nice bra, getting ready for a nice steak for tonight, as you can see. Oh, I believe, and chicken. A flatty. For those South Africans that know what that means, it's a flatty. Okay. First morning, we're having some nice bacon, fried tomato, eggs. Lauren is busy with the chili sauce on the bread. We're just going to have sort of breakfast sandwiches. All in all, a good morning. You can see outside here, they've got the 4x4 club competition on today. So all the 4x4s have left already. But yo, what a stunning morning. All around. You can hear all the 4x4s in the background there. Yes, we do have the other gazebo on. Sort of a 1 to 2 day gazebo. The other one we leave out when it's more than that. That thing is a mission to put up. But it looks good. Beautiful day. Looking good. Thanks, babes.
3 slices.
Grab a bacon.
1 sandwich, 3 slices.
1 sandwich, 3 slices. For there. Some bon appetit. Put some eggy on there. Other eggy on there. Let's top it off with another slice of bacon there. And another slice of bacon there. Gives you an idea we bought too much bacon.
Yeah, but it shrank.
A little tomato there. Yeah, I did shrink a bit. Another tomato there. Another one there. And one over here. Just to fill it in. And then there's still a few pieces left. Yummy. Is that good, baby? All right. We had a bit of a oops this morning as well. Some of our eggs fell down. So we left it.
In the sun, so it's easier to get off.
I don't think it's that hot, but yeah, we'll just clean it up now. Once we had dinner breakfast. Enjoy. Another night here at Killarney. I'm going to take a walk to the river and see what it looks like. Oh, look at this, guys. Yo. Oh, It's a bit smelly though, I must be honest, but phew. Got some guys there. The 4x4 track is out back that way. I think they're having a bit of fun there. All you hear is motors, and I think some quads there as well. Yeah, the guys going woo! Having fun here. How pretty is this? Eh? As you can hear the noise in the background. All right, we've packed up. All nice, beautiful day as well. But we will be heading off now. I just want to show you guys quickly what the bathrooms look like. It really is nice out here. If you live close by, then it's an awesome place to come out and come for the weekend. Chill. There's a little river down here. Enjoy. Guys with their 4x4s and their quads, if you do have, bring it with. Pay a little bit extra for that, but all well worth it. Alright, this is the men's bathroom. Urinals there. Basins and the sort of shaving wash up area there, your hands and things. Toilets, I've kept them really tidy and clean. Really is nice. And then the showers as well. There's 3 showers. Let me zoom this out a bit. There's 3 showers there, and of course 3 toilets over there. But yes, guys, we will see you on the next one. We will be going to high over in the mountains. We're looking forward to that. Really going to be awesome. And then, yeah, there'll be a nice little video release of that one as well. There will be fishing, and I think it's yellowfish as well. So, yeah. Enjoy, guys, and we'll see you later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's all free. And it supports the channel as well and tells us that we're doing the right thing. Cheers, everyone. Bye.
Please can you like, share and subscribe, all free, and makes us happy. Cheers.